Today, we're diving deeper into third-party app optimization. Long press any third-party app and tap Optimize. And you'll see 4 specific categories: refresh, display, color, and others, giving you total control over how that app performs. Let's start with refresh. Here, you can enable auto full refresh when switching pages. So when you switch between pages, you don't need to refresh the screen manually. You can customize full refresh after drag page or by tap. When enabled, if you stop for a moment to adjust your view, the screen won't refresh. Once you stop scrolling for longer than that time set, the device recognizes you've finished moving and triggers a full refresh. You can also adjust the animation filter time based on your habits. The next one is the Display tab. You can adjust settings here to fine-tune how an app's interface actually looks on your BOOX device. You can adjust the text outline and bold settings for titles, menus, and body text to make them stand out for your needs. When using text-heavy apps, eliminate font aliasing will smooth out jagged edges for a crisper reading experience. For color devices like the Note Air 5C, the Display Enhancement feature helps optimize picture display. Then, in the Color tab, you can adjust images and texts of the third-party apps. Drag or tab to choose the style that fits your needs. Finally, we come to the Others tab. One of the most important features here is Stay Active in the background. It's ideal for apps like Google Drive or Docs. You can enable system orientation uniformity to force apps to match your system's orientation if you prefer a landscape-only or portrait-only view. You can also customize your scrolling distance to fit your reading style. Use a shorter distance for precision when studying professional documents and PDFs, or a longer distance to quickly breeze through news feeds and images. Lastly, App Startup Acceleration helps you open apps faster. By adjusting these settings, you can make the third-party app usage experience on your BOOX devices tailored to your specific workflow.